guys at the Waihopai River here, using some worms as bait. Yeah, I'm just fishing for fish here, yeah, obviously. But there's just some little fish here at the moment, so we're going to try seeing if we can catch some little fish. Oh yeah, we got another little fish there. We're just going back in. Oh, there we go. Oh, actually we've got one on the hook. Yeah, I'm just trying to yeah. Oh yeah, got one. Oh, that's a big one right there. Another one. Oh, this is a slightly bigger one here. So guys, I've just moved spots and I've just spotted this eel hiding underneath the weeds here. Yeah, I'm just going to try catching it, and if I catch it, I'll show you. Oh my gosh, I've just got the eel on right now. Oh. I don't know how I'm going to pull it in though. Okay, then so I can pull it up. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just snapped the line! I'll just throw it back in. Oh my gosh, I just had this big eel on it. Snapped my line. Holy.